Hello, Bitcoin fans, investors, and traders. This is Current Wave, cwcount.com. Just to go over another analysis here. I think our prior session was roughly about 7 days ago, 7 or 8 days ago. Today is October 3rd, and this is what we left off on the last chart. We have stated that there was a triangle forming A, B, C, D, E for minor B gold here, minor B gold, and that capped off at 10,417. So again, you see this ABCW, ABCX, you see an A and B. B is a common for a triangle pattern, and we were expecting a move to the downside. Always remember an Elliott wave sequence, triangle precedes the final move, and we were looking for an impulsive move to the downside, as we have said for the past 4 or 5 months that 8490.5 Fibonacci or 0.618, which is 7245, is the level that we're looking for. And we also stated last week there was a little bit of gap from the Bitcoin futures market at around 8,500. So this is the action from last night. This is the chart that we drawn last night, and as you can see, the 8490 has been met, and now we're facing. It looks like the action after this plunge. We see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside the third minute. Again, we're in the C minor, so we need to draw out 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. And this pattern, ABC here, looks like just a classic candidate for the expanded flat pattern. You see A here, and you take this A times 1.36, that gets you about 7792. We got 7753, so we missed it about 40 points. Still fits the definition perfectly for expanded flat for wave B. Then on wave C, the equation for wave C is usually 1.618 times wave A on the expanded flat. So if you take that length of wave A times 1.618, you get 8487 for wave C, and we have 8539. Again, missing by about 40 to 50 points. So we think this is a classic definition of expanded flat here for the fourth minute. And if this is the right count, we should be able to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pink waves here, which is the minuet, to complete the phi minute, to complete the C minor, to complete the Y from the WXY of the zigzag, that completes the intermediate wave 2. So also, if you look at the daily chart, daily count, which we have not posted, we're not going to post that for the viewers here. We'll do that for our premium site. That daily chart count has been just a lot of labor-intensive counting there, a lot of work. We're not going to give that away for free. But it's a fourth of lesser degree, which is 7461. So usually the retracement level is common, and the lesser degree of fourth in the prior. So we put 7461 here. So there are these two target prices, 7245, 7461, to be searching for. But again, we think the final last leg must be placed here to get this thing finished. And there's a remote possibility that we could get the Fibonacci 0.786, and we'll let the oscillators, we'll let the center index indicate where we are after we got a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 count, and see if we get to that 0.786 Fibonacci. But I doubt it. I think we'll probably in between maybe 7,200 to maybe high 6,900 area. Usually these volatile instruments like Bitcoin likes to hit a key mark and go below it, dip it, then it'll come back. So, and if you look at the crypto fear index, this is the last night at 39. So even though there's a bit of fear, we don't see the fear that is distinctive. That could be the turning point. I mean, we like to see this fear index in a single digit between probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 area. Lastly, again, stay off the junk headlines. I call these junk headlines. Do not get influenced by them. They do nothing for you other than trying to give temptation to these mom and pop investors to buy these things, like Bitcoin, to hit $90,000 after halving, says state-backed German bank. It's just, these are just ridiculous. Here, let's expect 10% Bitcoin upside as price holds strong at 8,300. As we go to video here today, we were hovering about 8180, 81, about 8190. This is what they wrote last night. Why Bitcoin price may soon break up to $10,000. Remember, I've given you many of these headlines 2-3 months ago. At 10,000 or 10,500, it's going to hold support. All these moving averages should support the prices and go higher. Next level is 12,800. You know, those are all junk forecasts that didn't pan out. So again, be influenced by the wave count because it's pure. It is unbiased. It is just a pure reading of psychological mind behind all the Bitcoin investors. Um, so you have this collective psychological um, events that is captured in these wave sequence. So I always ask our viewers to stay off the headlines and just focus on the wave chart, wave count. Again, um, we are showing you just a little part of the Bitcoin daily. If you see here that we have drawn a trend line here, clearly double zigzag. We've gone through a lengthy wave B minor on the wave Y, but this should resolve itself to the downside, and I think 95% of the structure is built here on the second intermediate, which is a 2 red, and once that's completed, we could see a tremendous opportunity. And so we'll go over that next time when we do another post. Until then, this is Current Wave, cdbcount.com. Thank you.